Welcome to our guide on essential items commonly found in supermarkets. This is brought to you by Cruxo Digital TV. First up, we have staple foods like rice, wheat flour, lentils, pasta, noodles, sugar, salt and others. Next to beverages, a vital part of our daily routine. These come in many varieties: coffee, tea, juices, bottled water, energy drinks and alcoholic drinks, like beer, wine and spirits. Dairy products play a significant role in our nutrition, such as milk, butter, yogurts, cheese, cream and others. Snacks are perfect for quick bites and cravings. Here are some popular choices to satisfy your hunger: biscuits, chips, popcorn, dry fruits and protein bars. Let's explore cooking essentials: edible oils, spices, sauces, vinegar, baking powder and more. These items are key to enhancing flavors and preparing meals. Cosmetics products can be broadly categorized into skincare, hair care, makeup, fragrance, personal care and toiletries, with further subdivisions within each category. Butchery sections are where you found raw chicken, beef, pork, lamb and seafoods. A significant part of the supermarket where customers prioritize factors like meat origin, freshness, and quality. African markets are vibrant hubs offering a wide array of locally sourced products, like spices, foodstuffs from fresh produce and handcrafted goods to unique food items and traditional value-added products. Bakery products encompass a wide variety of baked goods, including bread, cookies, cakes, pastries, and more. Newborn babies require several essential items, like diapers, baby wipes, clothing, a crib or bassinet, baby bottles, and formula or breastfeeding supplies, baby bath supplies. Clothing and accessories such as male, female and children wears jewelry, watches, handbags, and other fashion accessories. Frozen products includes a wide variety of items, from meats and seafood to fruits, vegetables, and prepared meals. Baked goods and dairy products. Fruits and vegetables are crucial components of a healthy diet, offering essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and other beneficial plant compounds, such as apples, banana, lettuce, cabbages, and berries. Home essentials can be found in household sections such as kitchen appliances and utensils, refrigerator, stove, oven, microwave, bathroom accessories, beddings and furnitures.
This is brought to you by Cruxo Digitals. 07075165628. Visit our YouTube channel at Cruxo Digital TV for more.